Hi, thanks for calling Harrison HVAC. This is Ava. How can I help you today?
Hey Ava, I'm calling from 47 Maple Ridge Drive in Cromwell, and my AC isn't cooling anymore, and I'd like someone to come out today or tomorrow, if possible.
Okay, I can get someone out to 47 Maple Ridge Drive in Cromwell for your AC issue. We have an opening today at 4 p.m. Would that work for you, or would you prefer tomorrow?
No, 4 p.m. works for me.
Great. Before I confirm that 4 p.m. slot today, what's your name and what's the best callback phone number for you?
My name is Daniel Brooks, and my callback number would be 860-555-0186.
Perfect, Daniel. Would you like me to email the confirmation to you?
Sure. It's info@digitalnomads.solutions.
Let me confirm that email. info@digitalnomads.solutions. Is that correct?
You got it.
All set, Daniel. Your AC repair appointment is confirmed for today, Tuesday, May 12 at 4 p.m. at 47 Maple Ridge Drive in Cromwell. You'll receive an email confirmation at info@digitalnomads.solutions. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, thank you. Appreciate it.